With this video, I want to teach you best order block from smart money and breaker block that's made a great and high win rate. Let's start tutorial, guys. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I want to teach you best and high win rates from order block. That's amazing setup and a strategy for your trading. Let's start tutorial. Guys, in uptrend, when we have one sharp leg, and after that we have one or two or three red candle, and after that we have two leg sharp leg. This zone is so important for us. And in downtrend, when we have a downtrend, sharp downtrend, and after that we have one to green candlestick, and after that we have second leg sharp leg, this zone is so important for us. If the lowest of the first zone on downtrend and the highest of the first zone on uptrend was broken, that's making a valid order block for us on the area. At price rejection, we can set our long order with this stop, and on downtrend, when the price rejects or return to this zone, we can set our short order with this stop loss, guys. On this leg, the first leg, we have so many buyer on market. After that, with this candle, the red candle, seller come to market but can't push price down. After that, buyers came back and with orders get sharp leg. On this trend, the buyer wants to make uptrend but they can't, and after that sellers came back and with so many sell order make it downtrend. If price rejects on this zone or under this zone on downtrend, we have few orders for long setup, guys, and we can open our long position on this zone and we can open our short position under this zone, guys. Let's see some example on chart for break for order block, and after that I teach you breaker block. Guys, subscribe our channel, like this video, and write your all question about this video or anything about technical analysis under this video. For example, on this chart you can see we have a one leg downtrend, and after that buyers come to market and want to make uptrend, but sellers came back and make so many order and short position, and after that you can see we have two legs. At the price rejection under this zone, we can open our short position with two methods. The first method, guys, we can set our short order and put our stop behind the zone. For the second method, we can open our short position after the candlestick, bearish candlestick with momentum, guys. Let's see another example together. For example, on this chart, we can see we have one leg, and after that, on this area, we can see buyers come to bazaar and wants to make uptrend, but after that, sellers came back and make so many short position. At the price rejection, we can open our short position with setting order, short order, and put our stop behind the zone, guys. Now, let's see what's the breaker block. Guys, after break any order block, we can stay for pulling back or price rejection on the zone, make breaker block, and we can open our long position on this breaker block. For example, on this area, if price break this zone, after pulling back, after pullback on the zone, we can open our long position and put our stop behind the zone. Let's see more example on chart, guys. You can see we have a one leg, after that red candle and two leg. We can mark all of this candle and we can open our long position on this valid order block. You can see we have best reward and win rate, guys. Let's see another example. On this area, we have one order block, guys. Let's see. You can see under this leg, we can open our short position and put our stop behind this zone, guys. Let's see more example together, guys. on this area we have one leg and red candle. We must to mark this red candle for order block or as order block. But on this example, our stop loss was filled, guys. This strategy has high win rate, guys. For example, we have one leg downtrend and after that green candle at this area at this time. Buyers came back to market and wants to make uptrend, but sellers came back too and with make a new trend and downtrend. We can open our short position under this zone, guys. We have one leg, one sharp leg, a few bullish candlestick, and we can open our short position on this area, and our stop was filled at this time. But after that we can open our short position too and put our stop behind this zone with this trend. Guys, we have one leg, and after that two leg. We mark all of this candle, but on this area the price doesn't touch the zone. Guys, we have one leg, one uptrend and one bearish candlestick in uptrend, but our stop loss was filled on this area. You can see we have one uptrend leg and order block. You can trade on this order block, guys. If our first and second leg was sharp, the order block it's more valid for us, guys. Like that, we have one leg and two leg. This bullish candlestick inside the bearish trend. We can open our short position and put our stop behind this zone with this order block, valid order block. Guys, I told you, if our first and second leg was so sharp, our order block is more valid. Let's see some example on 4 hour time frame, guys. You can see we have one leg and after that a few bearish candlestick, two leg, and we can open our long position on this zone and put our stop behind the zone. On this area our stop loss was filled with this order block, guys. After price break this order block, this zone changed to breaker block and we can open our short position with this pullback. You can use this order block and breaker block for your all trading on any symbols and any time frame, guys. We have one leg bullish candlestick and two leg second leg. We mark all of this candle. After that we open our short position under this zone, and after breaking we can open our long position with this breaker block, guys. Have a good time. Goodbye.